Shesha. Let's talk about some requirements to take this course before you start with the course. The first and the most important thing is to have an intermediate level of Python knowledge. What this means is the ability to construct statements, understand variables, and build small scripts. So this is basic knowledge of programming that includes loops and understanding what are variables, and specifically in Python. Next, if you could have a basic knowledge of Linux, that is the ability to move file, run shell commands, that will really be useful for containers, since we'll be creating containers and we are working with virtualization. It is really important. And then IT infrastructure knowledge is also a key requirement. This means understanding what are virtual machines, what is a database, some basic understanding of IT infrastructure and key terms. Then also the ability to understand JSON or YAML file format, JSON file, and it is really important. These includes this is actually a very easy to read thing, but the key concept here is passing JSON data, which is specifically essential for a Python dictionary, and passing data around. You are going to control the cloud ecosystem. Now let's try to understand why you should be taking this course. The first thing and the most important is every data science nowadays needs cloud, and every technology is moving towards clouds. So previously everything from groceries to shopping apps and everything was moving to technology. Now technology is moving towards clouds. So this is really important. And the next thing is there are hundreds and thousands of unfilled jobs in cloud. So it's a big market that is open for you if you have the skill set within you. And this course serves as a basic foundation to your certification. So that may be let's say your Microsoft certification or Google Cloud certification. This is basically a fundamental course for AWS certification or GCP, Google Cloud Platform certifications, or Amazon Web Services, or whatever certification in cloud you are looking forward to. This might be the basic one, and the most important, it allows you to build working systems. So it's a practical hands-on experience course.